What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? Winter. Winter. Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Which month do you like most? Which month do you like most? January. January. Do you prefer summer or winter? Do you prefer summer or winter? Winter. Winter. How is the weather in your country? How is the weather in your country? Hot and humid. Hot and humid. Do you like cold weather? Do you like cold weather? Yes. Yes. What do you do when it rains? What do you do when it rains? I stay at home. I stay at home. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. What season do you dislike? What season do you dislike? Summer, it's too hot. Summer, it's too hot. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? My family. My family. What makes you sad? What makes you sad? Seeing poor people suffer. Seeing poor people suffer. Are you a morning person? Are you a morning person? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What do you worry about? What do you worry about? My future. My future. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? Snakes. Snakes. What's your biggest dream? What's your biggest dream? To travel the world. To travel the world. What's your strength? What's your strength? I am hardworking. I am hardworking. What's your weakness? What's your weakness? I get nervous in public. I get nervous in public. What makes a good friend? What makes a good friend? Honesty and kindness. Honesty and kindness. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Working in a good job. Working in a good job. Do you want to live in another country? Do you want to live in another country? Yes, if I get a chance. Yes, if I get a chance. What skill do you want to learn? What skill do you want to learn? Public speaking. Public speaking. What's your dream city? What's your dream city? London. London. Do you like taking risks? Do you like taking risks? Sometimes. Sometimes. What's important in life? What's important in life? Health and happiness. Health and happiness. What do you do when tired? What do you do when tired? I rest. I rest. What kind of person do you want to be? What kind of person do you want to be? Honest and confident. Honest and confident. Do you have many friends? Do you have many friends? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What do you do together? What do you do together? We play and talk. We play and talk. Is your home big? Is your home big? No, it's small but nice. No, it's small but nice. What do you do in your bedroom? What do you do in your bedroom? I sleep and study there. I sleep and study there. Who cooks in your home? Who cooks in your home? My mother cooks. My mother cooks. Can you cook? Can you cook? Yes, I can cook simple food.